In this video, you'll learn how to swap USDT to Solana on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully exchange your USDT for Solana, ensuring you are well informed about the process and any necessary considerations. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button, which is typically found at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your account credentials to sign in. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication required for security. After signing in, you should see your account dashboard displaying your assets, and next, look for the convert or trade section on the platform. This option may vary based on your interface, but it is generally accessible from the main menu. Click on convert for a straightforward swap, or choose spot trading if you prefer a more detailed trading interface. In either section, ensure you select USDT as the asset you want to swap from. You will then need to choose Solana as the asset you wish to receive. Pay close attention to the current exchange rates and any slippage that may occur during the swap. It is essential to confirm that you have sufficient balance of USDT before proceeding. Once you have set your assets, enter the amount of USDT you want to swap into the designated field. After this, review the conversion quote carefully to ensure you agree with the terms. Confirm all swap details, including any fees associated with the transaction. When you are satisfied, click the button to submit your conversion request. Swaps are typically processed instantly, but it is important not to refresh the page during this process to avoid any potential issues. After the swap is completed, you will need to confirm your Solana balance. Navigate to your spot wallet where you can view all your assets. Look for Solana in the list of cryptocurrencies to verify that the balance reflects the amount you swapped. Additionally, you can review your conversion history to keep a record of the transaction. At this point, you can decide whether to hold your Solana or withdraw it to another wallet. If you plan on trading further, monitor the price movements of Solana regularly. Lastly, ensure that you enable any security features available on Binance to protect your account. It is also advisable to save the transaction details for your records, as this can be useful for future reference. By following these steps, you will have successfully completed the swap of USDT to Solana on Binance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.